Hello and welcome. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office in Ubuntu with PlayOnLinux. Now I'm not going to cover PlayOnLinux installation. You can download and install that via the Software Center. Once you have, go ahead and start PlayOnLinux. Go ahead and click install a program. We're going to go ahead and click Office. Now this example is for 2010 and this procedure should work for other flavors of Office. So I'm going to go ahead and select 2010 and then I'm going to click install. So you'll be then greeted with the installation wizard. So click next to start. Now I've already gone ahead and copied the files from the DVD onto the computer. I recommend this is much faster. We're going to click next. I'm then going to browse. I downloaded the I copied the x86 and the 64-bit version, but I'm going to use the x86 version. We're going to look for setup.exe, open, and click next. So let it go ahead and create the virtual drive. It will download any files it needs for this to run effectively. So go ahead and let it do that. Once it's completed, you should be then greeted with the setup screens. Okay, for those of you who have installed Office in the past, you may have noticed I've skipped the product key installation. I didn't really want to publicize my product key with the world, so sorry for doing that to you. But I also unchecked the automatically activate online, and then I clicked continue. Just for those of you who've never installed this before, I'm guaranteed that if you're installing this, you've installed this before. So go ahead and accept the terms of the agreement. Now, Outlook does not work. So if you go install now, it'll basically do a vanilla installation. So I'll basically install every Office product. If you're lacking of space, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and customize that. I am, because all I'm going to basically do is install Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. So unfortunately, Outlook does not work. If you were really hoping that Outlook was going to work, I'm sorry to disappoint you, it won't. If you are heavily reliant on Outlook, it's probably best bet to run this in a virtual machine. So go and install Windows in a virtual box or a VMware player virtual machine and just install Office Outlook in there. So go ahead and just deselect everything that you don't need. I'm not too sure about Access. For those who are heavily reliant on Access and it doesn't actually work, again, go ahead and install that in a virtual machine. If it does work, please let me know. I'm not a heavy user of Access. I actually don't use Access too often, so go ahead and install it if you do use it, and please again let me know if it does work. So I'm just going to go through and deselect everything that I don't need to install. I don't use Publisher too much, so again, if you're a heavy user of Publisher, go ahead and install it. If it doesn't work, you will have to probably install this in a virtual machine or reboot to Windows, whatever. Again, please let me know if this works under PlayOnLinux. I'd be very interested to find out. I'm not going to install SharePoint. I am going to install Visio Viewer. I'm going to have a bit of a play with that. Word I'm going to install, and I'm not going to deselect anything out here. So go ahead and install now. I'll be back once this is finished. Okay, once Office installation has completed, go ahead and click close and let PlayOnLinux continue installation. Okay, so it looks like PlayOnLinux is a little unhappy that it can't find OneNote in it trying to create a shortcut. I couldn't find this application, so Just click next to continue, and again I can't find outlook.exe, so I can't create a shortcut, so just click next to continue, and you'll be greeted with the has been installed successfully window. So there you have it. Office has been installed successfully. Go ahead and click next to finish. Um, Up to you. If you want to send a bug report, go ahead. I guarantee that the bug report will just say it couldn't find OneNote and Outlook and couldn't create a shortcut, but yeah, up to you. So go ahead and close that. And just to prove that Office is actually in fact working, I do have a Word document here that I'm going to actually open with Microsoft Word. There you have it. I'm not going to worry about registering now, and don't make any changes. There you have it. Office 2010 has been installed on Ubuntu. I hope this video has been informative, and I thank you for watching.